hind end awareness from Clover. Most dogs can't do that, where their front paws stay stationary and they move their back paws like that. Also, she somehow instinctively knew it was a better camera angle.
Hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year, but I'll be there for you. When the rain starts to fall, I'll be there for you. Like I've been there before, I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too. You're still in bed at 10 and work again at 8. You burned your breakfast so far, things are going great. Your mother warned you there'd be days like these, but she didn't tell you when the world was brought you down to your knees. That I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too. No one could ever know me, no one could ever see me. Seems you're the only one who knows what it's like to be me.
As we watch Becker and Arthur here, it's a good example of what to look for in play. It started out there was a lot of breaks with the mouths on and off, but then now they're kind of just keeping their mouth on each other and not letting go. So if you see your dog playing that way, that's a good time to interrupt by throwing a toy or saying their name and trying to restart the play with more healthy breaks. The skill of healing is not about a leash. The skill of keeping a leash loose is being able to watch the human and move with the human. So the majority of our training is done off leash with the dog opting in. When we're outside with our dogs, the leash is our safety belt in case things don't go our way. It's not our communication tool.
I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too.
Murphy is really improving at the maze game. If you saw our previous videos, you know what I'm talking about.
I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too.
We can see as I'm recalling Tig here, he starts to come excitedly. The other dogs kind of block him. He gets distracted. So we help him follow through and reward and then let him return to the other dogs. We really want the dogs to learn that a recall is not the end of the fun. Scent is the primary way dogs take in the world, and scent enrichment is one of the very best things you can do for a dog's well-being. Although in this case, Clover thinks that wood from my gerbil cage is actually a toy. Rocky and Roxy are kind of the NHS presidents. They love handler focused training and they excel at it. So it's fun to see them playing and having fun together. This social skill we're seeing from Hazy is called self-handicapping. She's the bigger, stronger dog, but she's keeping the play well matched and well balanced for a much smaller dog, and that's an important social skill.